Hi, I'm Sherry from Whole Circle Studio, and welcome to the 7th Around the World Block of the Month destination. This month we're traveling to a city that is near and dear to my heart, New York City. Not only do I live close to the city, but my family is originally from there, and Jason and I got married in Manhattan. This month's structure is a symbol of freedom and democracy here in the United States, the Statue of Liberty. Here's a little bit about it. The statue was given to the United States from France in 1886 to celebrate the friendship between the two countries during the American Revolution. Here's another fun fact. In order to get the Statue of Liberty here to the US, it was broken down into 350 pieces and packed into 214 crates. This national monument resides on Ellis Island, which is under the care of the National Park Service. In addition to this video, please be sure to refer to the tips included in the pattern and other links below, including a foundation paper piecing video tutorial and the previous month's videos. Let's get started. We're over halfway through our blocks, so we'll be practicing many of the foundation paper piecing skills we've been using all along. Go slow, take your time, and you'll do great. There are a fair amount of paper pieces needed to create the Statue of Liberty, so you'll want to dedicate a little bit of extra time for this block. Also, be sure to organize yourself and use the fabric swatch guide in the pattern so that you keep on track and organized. There's also a good amount of tricky angles in these pieces, but you'll be fine if you pre-cut the fabric pieces according to the cutting chart. If you need some extra help figuring out how to piece some of these angles, be sure to refer to the paper piecing video tutorial. The link is below this video. I can't wait to see your Lady Liberty blocks come together. Thanks again for being here and for sewing along with us. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Also, be sure to share your progress on Instagram using the Around the World hashtags found on the pattern so we can check out what you're working on. See you next month and happy sewing!